ham bone, and what I did was I trimmed off most of the ham around it, the meat part of it. There's still quite a bit if you were to scrape it down, but I'm not trying to scrape thing. Anyhow, ham bone in there. We've got pumpkin and the black-eyed peas. I had 1.5 cups of black-eyed peas. It was topped with water, and it's been soaking in that water for about 4 hours now. Overnight is cool, but about 4 hours is fine. It's nice and plump now. In goes that black-eyed peas. You know, when people do ham bone soup, most times they use yellow split peas and ham bone soup. In this case here, we are using the black-eyed peas because as we enter the new year, if you cook a dish with black-eyed peas in the new year, it's supposed to bring good luck for the entire year. So not only are we making use of the ham bone from the ham from Christmas dinner, we are also bringing in the year with some good luck with the black-eyed peas. I have here a combination of onion, scallion, and celery. Next up, a large carrot, some fresh thyme, some sea salt, and I'm not going to go too heavy with the salt because that ham bone can be a bit salty as well. Here we got black pepper happening there, and a heaping tablespoon of Caribbean green seasoning. I'm going to do half and half of chicken stock and water. I'm going to top it up now with some more water, and then we're going to turn the stove on, bring it up to a boil, give it a good stir, and let that cook until everything is nice and tender. The sort of meat on the ham bone will start falling apart. But I need to add one more thing in here, and that is the scraps of ham from the dinner table that I just gave a rough chop to, so we've got more meaty elements in there. So I'm just going to top it up with water. First of all, I'm going to add some more water, yeah? So in goes that water. I'm going to bring it up to boil, as I said, on a high heat, and I'm going to reduce it to a rolling boil and allow it to cook. If you wanted to add some more body in there, if you want to add a bit of sweet potato or regular potato in there, you can do that. But I like keeping it simple here and allow the pumpkin to shine, allow the black-eyed peas to shine, and of course the overall smoky flavor of that ham bone. It's been going on that rolling boil for about 2 hours, and that is because I wanted the black-eyed peas to be nice and tender. The pumpkin is falling apart. The carrot is holding its shape, which is good. What I forgot to mention earlier, if you wanted to put some garlic in there, you can always put some garlic in there. The reason why you didn't see me put any garlic in here is, and you can always take the bone out now and shred all the pieces of meat off as well. But the reason why you didn't see me put any garlic in there is because the chicken stock that I used had roasted garlic already in it. Taste it for salt, adjust it to your own liking. Make sure the peas are nice and tender. The pieces, the sprigs of thyme can be removed at this point. It's already done its job. But a nice little, we're bringing in the new year with good luck because of the black-eyed peas. Sup, soldiers? Listen, if you enjoy this recipe, I'd really appreciate it if you hit subscribe and click that bell notification thing. If you've made the recipe, take a picture and send it to me. Email address down here. I'm really trying to tell people the email address. Them butts will take the address and do all kind of thing with it. And tag me on Instagram at Caribbean Pot. I really appreciate you guys, and thanks for being in my kitchen with me today. Irie? Just gonna hit it with some parsley. You guys know I like my little herbal element to finish off things there. And a nice little comforting soup here to start off the new year, to end the old year. We're getting rid of all that bad luck, as I said, and soup season continues. If you would like to see a certain soup that has merit being on CaribbeanPot.com, you can always leave a comment down below. As always, it's a pleasure having you guys here in the kitchen with me. Remember, taste it for salt, adjust it, and enjoy. Irie, you notice we didn't put any Caribbean sunshine, eh? No Scotch bonnet pepper in there because people complaining. Oh, that boy just cooked with so much pepper. You know how people is eat that, and mind your flicking business now.